What's going on, guys? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I thought today would be the perfect time to go for a drive in the RS. Haven't given you guys any RS content for a while. I don't even think since I've put my spacers on, so I'm not sure if you guys have seen that yet, but 10 mil in the front, 12 mil in the back. Love how it looks. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. And yeah, car's gonna be going in for a wrap in about a week, so might as well make some content while she's got the Nardo Gray still going on. I think you'll be really happy to see how it turns out, and I've also got some body parts coming as well. Let's get it fired up, and then I'll do a little run through on what I've done to the car, because I don't think I've done that before. As you guys can tell from the sound, I've got a full exhaust system equipped on the car. AWE non-resonated touring exhaust. The cat's back. And then for my downpipes, I've got the CTS Turbo high flow downpipes. Looking big, looking mean. Along with that, I've got AWE AirGate Intake, ABT Stage 2 ECU module. I've got Upgraded Intercooler. You guys probably can't really see that though. And I think that's about it. I don't know, I feel like I might be missing something now. Obviously rims, spacers. We'll be getting some body parts soon. Car's got a full carbon package all over. Side skirts, mirrors, diffuser as well. guys, if you enjoyed that little burst of extreme rippage, make sure to drop a like on the video, comment what you liked about it and what you want to see in the future. Helps us out and helps with the algorithm. And yeah, if you're liking the content, make sure to subscribe too, because it motivates us to keep posting more.
No.